guys, we're gonna make some pancakes and coffee because it's Valentine's Day.
Yup. We just woke up.
Yes.
We're gonna remove the wrap off the sofa.
Yes.
Ito na nga pala yung pinakwento kong scam ako sa Facebook nung sabi ng tower pan. Tower pan dumating sa akin handheld. Ito.
Tada!
Shoutout sa nagbenta nito sa Facebook. Ang galing ng marketing mo. Akala ko talaga ang laki niya. Tower. Pero handheld lang. So, 1,600 pag isa, 2,000 pag dalawa. Kaya pala. Sana bumili na lang ako ng mga tigo 100 na hinahawakan sa kamay. Anyway. Swerte ng pamimigyan ko nito sa Pasko. Kasi yung isa lalagay ko sa kwarto, yung isa pamimigay ko na lang dahil na-disappoint ako.
Okay mga kabadas, belated happy Valentine's Day pala sa inyo. Paparaffle na lang natin yun pag nak-reach tayo ng 500 subscribers along with some stickers, and tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga pwede. Comment nyo below kung ano yung mga pwede natin paraffle. Wag naman yung sobrang mahal. Anyway, maraming salamat sa suporta at sa pagtangkilik ng aking content. So here's Mommy and me and Gia making pancakes for Valentine's morning. Tabayanan nyo lang yung mga gagawin namin today. This is staying in for Valentine's.
Good morning with the yummy pancakes and hot dogs.
And fruits.
And fruits, yeah.
Mama.
Alright guys, so that's my daughter Gia, and she's helping me unwrap the sofa. And shoutout sa Marikina Riverbanks Furniture Center. This is where we bought this piece. So meron pa yung, ano ba yan? Yung gitna, nandun sa office ko. So dun ko siya nilagay kasi minsan uupo ako dun pagka breaks.
Okay, we're done unwrapping the couch. What can you say about it? It's a nice couch.
What do you think about
And
it?
we're gonna watch TV. And that's my papa. Okay. Let's go. Hi guys, good morning. We're going to unbox the Lazada. What do we have over here? It's called, I forgot what it's called.
Alright, sorry for that guys. It's actually the Xiaomi Mijia TV Stick, which is a device that you plug in the back of your TV at magiging smart TV na siya. So you can watch Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney. Actually Disney's, I don't know why hindi siya na-open dito. Pero meron siyang HBO Go and YouTube. So yeah, there's also games. Maraming reviews online, so you might want to check it out.
What's up guys? Badass vlog ulit. Pre-Valentine's. Staying in for Valentine's pala. That's the title of the vlog. Tutulog si Mami at si Gia. Nag-power nap kasi hapon na. Ako tamang pintura ako ng mga cabinet. Well, nag-upload pala ako ng vlog yesterday. Yung trip namin sa Ronak Gallery sa Mandawi Home Soul Group sa at Handyman. So please do watch that. I'll put the link down below. Tapos today magluluto ako ng steak for Mommy and I don't know, mojos siguro. So staying in. Tapos magana tayo ng candlelight dinner for later. So ideally gusto namin lumabas kaso hindi recommended gawa ng maraming tao sa mall ngayon. So no thanks, we'd rather stay in for Valentine's. So ito yung couch, panalo, diba? So I hope you're enjoying the new house. So tsaka na ako magre-rearrange. Maybe tomorrow morning if I have time. So thank you again for watching. Subscribe here for more. Thank you. Okay guys, so ito na yung steak natin. There you go. Quality. So tinuto lang natin siya. Actually kanina ko pa siya tinuto. Meron din ako ditong beef strips. So later I'll wash that and marinate. Tapos ito naman pang basta iluluto ko ang steak later. So nagpakuha na ako ng herbs and spices. Tapos yung potatoes pinabad ko na sa brine. Tapos later sa milk. And then Ano pa ba? We'll cut it in mojo sizes and then we'll try to bake it. Tapos si Mami pinagawa ko ng corn and carrot. I don't know. Yung mga side dishes. So, watch out. See you later. What's up guys? Okay, update lang. Meron tayong steak. Salt and pepper na siya. Tapos, niluluto tayo ng poppy beef strips. Ito pakita ko sa inyo. Whoop! Mabilisan lang. So, mamaya na ulit. Maghahanda muna ako ng table for tonight's dinner. See you later.
Okay mga kabadas, if you're still sticking around, I guess you're enjoying my content. Maraming salamat ulit sa pag-nood.
Alright mga kabadas, tamang luto tayo ng steak. So, yeah. Here you go. Steak for tonight. Happy Valentine's sa inyo. I hope everyone is having fun. Oh yeah. So nakita nyo naman ba? On na lang. See you later. Kain muna kayo mamaya. Pagdating ni Mami sa kanya yung mojos at corn and carrots para kay Gia. See you later. So table for 2. Rice pa lang yung na-ready. Hahanguin ko na yung steak. Tapos may waga natin poppy beef and Mommy's mashed potato and carrots and corn. So see you. Staying in for Valentine's. Magbibis mo na ako. Nakaligo ko lang. Time warp muna tayo.
Alright guys, so ayun na nga, luto na yung poppy beef stew with veggies and then yung steak, medium rare, I guess. Tapos ito, tamang bihis na tayo kasi kakaligo lang natin. Mami, parating na yun. Doon niya kasi niluto sa bahay nila yung, ayun, yung corn and carrots, pati yung mojos. Sarap po. Ito yung steak.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's.
Yan na ang aming staying in for Valentine's. We have some steak by yours truly. We have Mommy's Mojos and carrots and corn. Siyempre, Japanese rice. Kakapilitan natin yan. Ito, poppy beef stew with vegetables and fruits. So, let's call Gia. Chai! Oh, Diyos naman yun. Diyos naman niya. Bait-baitan niya. Let's go. Tootness! Gia! Mommy's here. We're gonna eat dinner na. Come on. Hi. Choy niya. Bait-bait. Cheers! Come on. Alright, let's go.
Hi, how are you feeling?
Tarot. Takbo agad. So, yun na nga guys. Kakain muna kami ng aming Valentine's Day special. Staying in sa ating badass house. So, of course, Daddy always wants cold water. Dahil wala tayong wine. At hanggang 5 PM lang daw ang bentahan ng wine dito. Alright, let's eat. Come on. Oh, look at this.
Hold the candles.
We don't have a lighter. Mommy threw my lighter away.
It's a prank.
Mommy threw my lighter away. But it's okay. We can still eat without candles. Come on. Let's eat na. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's.
Alright, napagod na ako mag voice over. Music muna kayo dyan.
Did you have fun?
Sarap. So much.
Delicious. 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 May steak pa. Tapos, busog na kami. Tomorrow ulit. Kaya pa tayong leftovers. So, this side, where are you? Look at my favorite baby tooth. You have dirty nose, Okay. Alright, then let's finish the night and Valentine's with a banana. Maybe 2 bananas. You want more? I thought you were full na. Just naman yung isa niya.
I don't like that.
One more enough, one more.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for the food. Alright, yun na nagtatapos yung ating staying in for Valentine's vlog. So, see you soon.